What's up? It's your boy, the Knologist. We're back with another episode of OSRS AFK training and code study Sesh. And yeah, we're going to be just getting through this different types of authentication. I definitely want to oh shit, my headset's still on. Let me turn this thing off. Yeah, I can hear it now. And essentially, I'm going to note these things down. So types of authentication, most common methods, common auth methods. Third-party authentication. API keys. Oh, and cool, they break down each one. Third-party authentication. Password plus ID. I don't need to write all this down. Users use password managers. It's one of the most secure ways to authenticate. Otherwise, many users don't, so it's not as secure. That said, it's a valid choice. Password plus ID. So it could be like an email and password, which is the most standard one. Third-party authentication. Google, GitHub, similar to how we do it on boot dev. Third-party auth is great for user experience because it allows users to use their existing accounts to log into your app, lowering friction. Yeah, because you're pretty much offloading the password and ID to Google instead of the actual platform. In the case of Google, like almost everyone's gonna have an account, so it makes sense to have sign in with Google. Magic links are a way to authenticate users without a password. Relies on the assumption that the user's email is something that they have unique access to. When the user clicks the link, the web server can decode the token and use it to authenticate the user. Magic links, and then API keys. Fantastic way to authenticate user systems programmatically. Long string that as uniquely identifies a user or system. Can't be guessed. don't need to be memorized, can be much longer and double as an identifier. An API key might look something like this. Nice, which should never be used. They all have their uses. Which makes the most sense to authenticate a user of a command line application for secure API access. API key. Nice, JWTs, okay. Now we're getting to the good stuff. JSON Web Tokens. What is a JWT? JSON Web Token. That contains information about the user. Oh, once the token is created in server, Okay. Assignment. The first building blocks you'll write the functions for creating and validating JWTs, which will be used in the next lesson to authenticate users. Okay. Add a make JWT function to your auth package. Okay. Function. Okay, so we'll have to import this. Go get. Import it in your code. Ah, yeah, see, it tells you to do this. Go get. So one, create a new token. So one, use JS with claims. Sure, we're already down to 7K. I'm just trying to figure out what the next step is. Would I put this in the monolith at the top? And I would think to say most likely. GitHub.com. Okay. We gotta check the lessons because I also have to head out tomorrow early. New with claims. Yeah, I think it's better if I do this tomorrow because this is gonna take a lot of time, and I don't want to chop up the video if I don't have to. So let's reconvene tomorrow. Also, it's like fucking near 2 a.m. It's gonna be Monday tomorrow, so we gotta get to the office. So with that, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me your thoughts. Kinologist out.